So today we're cleaning this metallic gray Mercedes-Benz. It's been a little over a week since I cleaned it. It might be hard to see, but it has accumulated some dust, bird droppings, but nothing too heavy. I started from the top, worked my way down to the wheels, eventually to the interior of the car. I'm using a light mist of solution. I'm using 1 capful of the concentrate in a 16 ounce of distilled water, spraying it evenly on one small section at a time, letting it do its work for a few seconds before I wipe it off. Now to wipe it off, I'm using very gentle pressure. In fact, I've folded the microfiber towel, this dense microfiber towel designed for cleaning your car, into 4 sections, and I folded it again. This method helps reduce the pressure on the surface as I gently wipe away the dirt that the product has lifted. I repeat the process for the entire car, working my way down until the job is done. Afterwards, I go back to touch up areas that need more attention. For bird droppings or anything else that sticks to the surface, you need to spray the product, let it do its work for a little, try to wipe it off. If it comes off, you're good. If not, just repeat the process. I recommend cleaning your car at least once a week to protect the paint from heavy contaminants. However, if you're driving on dirt roads or for long hours, I suggest wiping down your car every couple of days to keep it clean and protected. If you're interested in this product, go to our website aquafreeshine.com and use the code SHINE24 to get an additional 20% off. So remember, this is a concentrate. So what you want to do is take somewhere between half a capful up to 3, depending on how dirty your car is and how much protection you're trying to add, and mix it with 16 ounce of distilled water. Subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. We'll be cleaning many more cars, different examples, different makes, models, so you can see that this product really works and it'll help reduce your cost, save water and time.